Morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome back to our online classes. So we will continue our topic sports. So let's start. We have done word spinning and basic exercise of this chapter. Now we will solve question answers of this chapter. Our subject is English literature. Our textbook is Read Now. Exercise question answer, and I am your teacher Anna. So let's start our today's work. So our exercise is answer these questions. Okay, now our first question is, how could you tell that sports was old? Now this is the first question. If you remember the story, how could you tell that sports was old? Now look at the picture of sports. This is the picture of sport. What you can understand that how you can understand that he was old? Look at its body, its coat, its shabby, and its tone. He doesn't even have hair on his body. So what will be the correct answer for this question? His coat looked worn like an old rug and fur had quite gone. I have already shown you in the picture. Now move to the next question. Why did the leopard become a man-eater? So what comes to your mind when you read this question? Obviously, now he was old and he wasn't able to catch the animals. They are faster than him. It was easy for him to kill a man for its food. So what will be the answer? As he grew old, he became too weak to catch prey, so he was compelled to hunt human beings. Question number 3. Where did he usually prowl in search of prey? He usually what will be the answer for this question? Obviously, he prowls at the places where animals usually go to graze, or where women can go and fetch water. These types of things, places he prowled for prey. So what will be the answer? He usually prowled in search of prey near the grazing grounds, which I already told you. Why was he never caught? He was never caught due to his cleverness. Obviously, he was very clever. That's why he wasn't caught by anyone who made many efforts to catch him. It is the responsibility of forest rangers to catch these type of animals. So forest rangers made many efforts to catch him. Sorry, not catch him. Catch. Now question number 6. What reward was offered for his capture? A reward of 500 rupees was offered for his capture, dead or alive. It is a story when Pakistan and India wasn't separated. It was a subcontinent. So 500 rupees was equal to 5 lakhs. Okay, so 500 rupees was offered for his capture. Who noticed the animal's telltale tracks? Now look at this image. These are called telltale tracks. These are called telltale tracks. And who noticed? This is a boy. You can see animals herd. So it was a herd boy who noticed the telltale track. So now what will be the answer for this question? A herd boy noticed the animal's telltale tracks. To whom was news sent immediately? Obviously, a forest officer was looking for sports to kill, so the news was sent to him. The news was immediately sent to the forest officer. What trap they had set for the leopard? Now look at this image. The goat was tied to a tree. This was a trap for the leopard. Now what will be the answer for this question? They tied a goat with a tree to trap the leopard. I have shown you the picture. Where did the forest officer and his tracker hide? Now you can see where they are sitting. They are sitting on a tree. They are hiding on a tree. This is forest officer and this is the tracker Badri. Okay, so what will be the answer for this question? They hid on the tree. They hid on the tree. Now move to the question number 11. Who first noticed the spot? Obviously, the tracker was able to notice the spot. The tracker first noticed the spot. Describe the hungry animal's attack on the goat. Now look at this. The goat isn't looking at the spot or the leopard. So he silently sprang. As you can see, jumping on the board is called sprang. It's called things called sprang. Sorry, it was goat, not boat. He silently sprang and bite the goat and sank to the earth. He bit here on its neck or throat and it died on the spot. He silently sprang, made a terrible bite, and the goat sank to the earth, dying. What happened to the forest officer's first shot? It was missed. If you remember that story, it was missed, obviously. How did Spot meet his death? Spot attacked on the forest officer and tracker in rage. Forest officer shot the Spot with his rifle. Look at the image, you can understand the answer better. Look at this. Spot is trying to attack on forest officer and his tracker. So he's so close to the forest officer. He killed him on the spot by hitting him on his head. Okay, now next question. What instructions did the forest officer give to the Badri? He asked him to go to the village and tell the people that they can now sleep in peace as the spotted one is dead. He gave the instruction to his tracker to go and tell to the villagers that the leopard is dead now and they can sleep peacefully now. So this was our topic and our chapter Spots is completed now. If you have any kind of problem or any question related to the topic, you know how to contact me. Take care, Allah Hafiz.